Here's some big news that we're currently breaking. Security breach during Prime Minister's Punjab visit. Modi's rally has been cancelled after security breach. Ministry of Home Affairs says protesters blocked Modi's convoy. The ministry further says that Prime Minister was stuck on a flyover for over 15 to 20 minutes. Here's the big news that we're currently tracking. A security breach that was reported during Prime Minister Modi's rally, his visit. Let me quickly cut across to Paulami Saha for more on that. Paulami, Prime Minister Modi was set to be in Firozabad, Punjab rally. In fact, while on his way, we believe that there was a security breach and then he was stuck on a flyover for close to 20 minutes. This is what the Ministry of Home Affairs has to say. Give us some more details. What happened? Is he still going there or is the protest called off?
Well, this is a big development, Nabila, which is now being reported by our sources within the Ministry of Home Affairs. The MHA has taken cognizance of a lapse in the Prime Minister's security in Punjab. The Prime Minister landed earlier this morning at Bathinda Airport and he was to then proceed towards Husainiwala in order to pay his tribute at the National Martyrs Memorial over there before proceeding towards his rally venue in Firozpur. He was to go by chopper earlier. He waited for the weather to clear up because it was raining quite heavily for about 20 minutes. He waited in Bathinda and then when the weather didn't clear up, he decided that he would travel by road. It was to be a 2-hour road trip. While of course making that contingency plan to go eventually by road, they informed the DGP of Punjab Police and ensured that necessary security arrangements would be in place as he proceeded. So after getting that clearance, the Prime Minister and his team proceeded towards Husainiwala. Now, 30 kilometers before they reached the National Martyrs Memorial in Husainiwala, there was a flyover, and on that flyover, the road was completely blocked by protesters. The Prime Minister was stuck on that flyover for 15 to 20 minutes. There was no security arrangement which was made in order to ensure that his way was clear. And this was a huge security lapse as far as the Ministry of Home Affairs is concerned because the Punjab government has been informed as well. It is their responsibility to ensure logistic security on the ground as the Prime Minister is travelling in the state and of course to make contingency plans as well. Clearly, as the road was blocked by protesters, the flyover was blocked by protesters, there was absolutely no contingency plan or any security on the ground. Now, after being stuck on that flyover for 15 to 20 minutes is when the decision was finally taken to return to Bathinda. So that is what has happened in Punjab. The MHA has taken very serious cognizance of this lapse in the Prime Minister's security and has sought a report from the Punjab government. So clearly a flashpoint over here between the state government of Punjab and the